Hey guys, so today we're going to work with evaluating inequalities, and we're going to do the exact same setup that we did the other day when we were evaluating with equations. We're going to do one together. You're going to take a pretest, it's going to give you a color, and then based on the color you're going to answer different problems about evaluating inequalities. Alright, the first thing you're going to do, let's look at step one. It says you're going to substitute the given value for the variable. So there's usually a value that they give you, and you're going to substitute that in. And in this case, we're going to substitute it into an inequality. And it says you must try multiple values if there's more than one. Step two is evaluate the expression using order of operations, so solve the problem. And then next you're going to check to see if your answers make the inequality true. If yes, then it is a solution. If no, then it is not a solution. Okay, so if we take a look at what they gave us, the original problem or inequality here is 2a plus 7 is greater than 13. Okay, so I'm going to write that in my box. 2a plus 7 is greater than 13. And then they gave us a value for our variable. They said if a equals 3. So we are going to take that and we're going to plug that into our inequality where a equals 3. So remember, when you've got a number and a variable smushed together like this, that means multiplication. So we're going to do 2 times 3, because that's our value of a, plus 7 is greater than 13. And over here off to the side, your number, that's going to be what our value of the variable is. So a equals 3 is the one we're going to be using, because remember, once you're placed with the color, your number might be different than the person next to you's. So now step 2 is going to be evaluate the expression using order of operations. So we're going to look at the problem that is to the left of the inequality, so right here, and we're going to use order of operations to evaluate the expression. So order of operation tells us we have to do multiplication first. So we would do 2 times 3, which would give us 6, and then bring down our plus 7, our greater than, and then our 13. And then we need to do 6 plus 7. That's the last thing to do. 6 plus 7 would give me 13. And then I have 13 is greater than 13. So once we have simplified or evaluated the problem, we are going to see if this inequality right here is true. Is 13 greater than 13? The answer there would be no, because 13 is equal to 13. So this means that a cannot be 3. This is not a solution. A is not a solution of this inequality, okay? So what you're going to do now is you are going to take the pretest that is located in your Google Classroom where we normally put our pretests, and based on your pretest you are going to be assigned a color, and you can find what pretest equals what color in your unit plan. And when you figure out your color, say you're the color green, you need to write that down on your paper where it says your color, and you will go into the Google Slides that is located right next to where your pretest is located, and you are going to start evaluating those inequalities just like we did for this first problem, using that color number. We've done this before. I'm just giving you guys a reminder of how it's done. Make sure that you fill in what your number was, show all of your work, and then tell me if it worked or not, or if it's a solution or not. Please make sure you take a picture of both sides of your paper and put it into Google Classroom as well. Thank you.